Hello, in this tutorial we're going to take a look at the design of strut based lattices. So in the center of the build plate here I've just created a primitive cube, and as with the surface based lattices, what we're going to do is click on this cube, and then we're just in this tutorial going to input a basic strut lattice. So I'm going to click on the strut button in the Lattices tab. And then if I click on problem components and strut lattice, this brings up this new strut lattice panel. And here I can change a number of the settings. So as with the surface based lattice, I can toggle between absolute size, which gives me the cell size of the unit cell in the X, Y, and Z dimensions, or the number of cells in each of the X, Y, and Z axes. I can also modify the strut thickness, which is the diameter of the cylindrical struts. And here, with these checkboxes, I can modify the struts within the unit cell. So currently we have the edge struts, but I can toggle between these, corner diagonal, face centered struts, face diagonals, and we can combine these together by clicking multiple checkboxes if we want to modify what the unit cell is. You could see the preview here as the black lines within the cube that we've put in. So in this case I'm going to create a face diagonal based lattice. To generate this, we can click the generate button, or I can open further settings in this settings option here. Currently the resolution is 0.5 millimeters, so we'll just generate on this resolution. And here you can see the strut lattice being generated. As always, we can smooth this lattice, and if we're happy with the lattice that we've generated, we can click decimate and either export the current volume or bake that into the software program as a mesh.